Guys, welcome back to Made by Nale. So today I'm actually back with you with another DIY. Let me just grab the other sheet. So these shoes, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I just don't like them anymore. Like, I thought they were cute, but now I'm just like, you know what, I actually do need my hairbands to go back in my hair. So quite frankly, I am in the process of taking these loops off because we are gonna attempt to turn these shoes, into these watch heels. And I know you might be thinking, oh my goodness, girl, your shoes are like this tan color right now. So yes, I understand they are a tan color. So we're gonna do the full shebang. We're gonna paint them. We're gonna add the gold watch. We're just gonna do the full shebang. So if this is something that you wanna see, do stay tuned. And thank you ever so much for everyone that's subscribing. I've got a feeling that we can actually hit 1K before I don't know, hopefully before the end of the year, but I wouldn't be mad if I was starting the year with 1K subscribers. Like, that is a great way to start the year. So, and then we can start going 5K, 10K, yeah, and so on. So yes, guys, thank you so much for subscribing and keep sharing. I see you guys sharing too, and I love that for me. So keep sharing. And yeah, let's try and do this DIY. It's gonna get a bit messy, but all the hairbands are currently off, so I won't be showing you that process. I'm just gonna go straight into the paint. Okay, see you in a bit. Mwah. So let's get right into this DIY, guys. So I just got in with my paint. So I was just using black acrylic paint and I painted the whole shoe. It wasn't perfect, but you know what, guys? This is a DIY, so do not stress. You can always just buy the shoes like all black and all you have to do is add the watches. But yeah, we are trying to be a little bit more sustainable. So here's me painting and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So yes, apologies in advance because we are already starting the video on this kind of portrait, but my watches did come and the shoes were already painted black now, so it was looking kind of cute. I had to use these pliers, guys, to kind of prise the watch open because, you know, the links were like stopping it from being open, and I tried with my hands but it wasn't working. You can see the stress in my eyes, but yeah, once I used the pliers, everything seemed to work, and this is me just measuring it out, and this is how I wanted it to look. So with my pliers, I carefully prised the watch open together, and this is how it was looking. If you're a little one, please ask a parent to help you. And this is me now sticking the watch on. You can use a hot glue gun, but I chose to use the 700T glue from Amazon. If you'd like me to share the links, I would be more than happy to. But I did add lots of dots around, and I then went on to sticking my watches on. And yes, guys, that's literally it. It's so simple and easy. I am gonna add some more watches onto the look after this video, but I was just trying to see how it was looking from the jump. Let me know what you think down in the comment box, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.